What's going on, fam? Today we're gonna harvest this. It grows in abundance. You guys can't see it, but it is everywhere. This is called cat ears. It's the relative of a dandelion. You could tell it's got a little bit hairy leaves, rounded off. The stem will branch off with multiple flowers. This whole thing is edible. The flowers, stems, the leaves, and the roots. Like I said, this is the relative of the dandelion. Both of them are very nutritious. The dandelion, French for teeth of the lion, are much sharper. These you could tell are rounded off. But we're gonna harvest this and see what we could do. I got dozens of these, so let's get going. For the sake of experiment, we're gonna try out the stem. I just cut it, washed it. This is the cat ears. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, okay. I can say that is the worst thing I've ever tasted. Now we're going to boil it. All right, so this looks ready. It's been boiling for about 15 minutes. We're gonna put some oil and minced garlic in this pot. And of course, that's gonna get added to here. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this. Got a good amount here. Yo, that is good. So if you cook it, that tastes good.